Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're diving into a topic that's a game changer for busy mornings: quick and healthy breakfast ideas. We all know how tempting it is to skip breakfast when we're in a rush, but fear not. I've got 7 delicious and nutritious recipes that will have you covered, no matter how hectic your schedule. 1. Overnight oats. Let's kick things off with a classic: overnight oats. These are a lifesaver because you can prepare them the night before and grab them on your way out the door. Simply mix together rolled oats, your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, some chia seeds for extra fiber, a dash of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and any toppings you like such as fresh fruit or nuts. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a delicious and satisfying breakfast ready to go. 2. Smoothie packs. Next up, we have another quick and convenient option: smoothie packs. These are perfect for those mornings when you barely have time to brush your teeth, let alone whip up a nutritious breakfast. Simply gather your favorite fruits and veggies, think bananas, berries, spinach, and avocado, and portion them out into individual bags. In the morning, just grab a bag from the freezer, add some liquid like almond milk or water, and blend it up for a nutrient-packed breakfast on the go. 3. Egg muffins. Now, let's get savory with some egg muffins. These little gems are easy to make in bulk and can be customized with your favorite fillings. Whisk together some eggs with your choice of veggies, cheese, and protein. Think spinach, tomatoes, feta cheese, and cooked bacon or sausage. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin and bake until set. You can make a batch on Sunday and enjoy them all week long for a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. 4. Avocado toast. Who doesn't love avocado toast? It's quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Simply mash some ripe avocado onto whole grain toast and top it with your favorite toppings, like sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's a delicious way to start your day with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. 5. Greek yogurt parfait. Next, we have a breakfast classic with a twist: Greek yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, granola, and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast that's as beautiful as it is delicious. It's packed with protein and probiotics to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. 6. Breakfast burritos. If you're craving something hearty and satisfying, look no further than breakfast burritos. Fill whole grain tortillas with scrambled eggs, black beans, diced veggies, and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll them up, and you've got a portable breakfast that's perfect for eating on the go. 7. Chia seed pudding. Last but not least, we have a breakfast option that's as tasty as it is nutritious: chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and a touch of sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight until it thickens into a pudding-like consistency. And there you have it: 7 quick and healthy breakfast ideas to fuel your busy mornings. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and recipes. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.